Hey guys, welcome back to another motivational video, and let's jump right in. As you guys see, we are in my living room and I have a hot mess going on, guys. I don't even know where to begin, but I'm going to start by picking up all this dirty clothes that I have in my living room. Me over here thinking it was clean, but boy was I wrong. This was all mixed, dirty with clean, and I'm just separating the dirty with clean and putting things where they belong. So I'm bringing you guys along, and hopefully you guys get that motivation. So let's begin.
I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't I what.
Guys, and when I was cleaning out my couch, I noticed that it was dirty. It has some stains in it. So this is why I decided to do my own DIY. I use powder soap and in-wash scent boosters. I'm just using a little bit of these because that's all you need. You don't need a lot. And just hot water and they will melt. And it smells so good, guys. And I'm using the Cool Cotton scent. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Really good.
At night, but I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. La 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 la, love you better. Yeah, yeah. La 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 la, love you better. Oh, la 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 la, love you better. La 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 la, love you better. Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better. Yeah, yeah. La 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 la, love you better. La 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 la, love you better. Better. La 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 la, love you better. Better, I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I other people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't know a thing. Oh, I can't let this slip. No, I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I know we just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Cause I've been thinking about you.
Now, moving on into my kitchen. As you guys see, I have a hot mess going on, but here we are to clean it up. And I am using Barkeeper Friend. I love this stuff, guys, because it leaves I have a white sink. It leaves my sink super shiny and white, and it gets all the rustic stains off it. So it's really, really, really good. I used to use a lot Ajax, but since I found this Barkeeper, oh goodness, it definitely is way better. It's 10 times better than Ajax. And no, this is not sponsored, but I gotta tell you what works and what could work for you.
So give me all that. And don't be rude to me. Give me what I need. Don't be rude to me. Check you out. Check your style. Ditch your friends. Just come and hang out. To the bar and to the back. I just wanna touch you. Wanna touch you, boy. Like a shot from the dark. Yeah, we girls, we know how to rock. To the edge and back. We make the stars shine. Make the stars shine bright. Hey, hey, come with me now. You're the best thing inside of this party. Nobody else, nobody like you. So give me all that. Give me all that. So give me all that. Give me all your love and don't be rude to me. Give me what I need, don't be rude. So give me all that. riot. So move your feet and follow this tiger. Let's get real, hear me roar. We are the stars live, we're the stars tonight. Hey, hey, come with me now. You're the best thing inside of this party. Nobody else, nobody like you. So give me all that. Give me all that. So give me all that. Give me all your love and don't be rude to me. Give me what I need, don't be rude to me. Give me all that. So give me all that. Give me all your love and don't be rude to me. Give me what I need, don't be rude to me. I get my kicks out of this. I'm on the fritz and the VIP list. 'Cause I'm the queen of this love. And you just pop, yeah you just pop. You got your bags right outside. Jump in the leather seat, let's take a ride. Tonight we're millionaires, we catch a spend. You need to give me all that, give me all that. Give me all that. So give me all that. Give me all your love and don't be rude to me. Give me what I need, don't be rude. Give me all that. Give me all that. So give me all that. Give me all your love and don't be rude to me. Give me what I need, don't be rude to me. You like crazy. Waste that time, let's lay here and waste that time. We have breakfast in bed. Pour the coffee and kiss me. We are both skipping work. Oh, there's a bird singing loud in the palm trees on the beach, laying next to your building, and the ocean is singing even louder. Let's lay here and waste that time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste that time. Let's lay here and waste that time.
Okay then guys, this is all on my end. I really appreciate you staying till the end of this video and doing this clean with me. I really hope you got motivated. You guys please stay safe. God bless you all. Please comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. Please stay safe guys. See you guys on the next one. Bye.